Hey beautiful people, welcome back to SoulSync, where we decode emotions and turn the unsaid into something unforgettable. Today's topic is about something you may have felt before, that confusing energy a guy gives when he clearly likes you, but is doing the most to act like he doesn't. Yep, the ones who flirt in code, make your heart race with subtle actions, and pretend they're just being nice. Oh, but we see through all that now, don't we? So if you've ever wondered, does he like me or am I just imagining things? Girl, this video is your answer. I'm going to reveal the little things guys secretly do when they're totally into you, but are trying hard to keep it low-key. Trust me, these signs are juicy, unique, and will hit differently. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's dive right into the vibes. 1. He listens like it's nothing, remembers like it's everything. He might not be all up in your messages or constantly reacting to your stories, but the way he remembers exactly how you like your coffee or brings up a random thing you said weeks ago. Girl, that's not casual. That's care disguised as coolness. Guys who don't want to expose their feelings will act like they're barely paying attention, but secretly, they are memorizing your words like a playlist they're obsessed with. Whether it's how you said you hate mint chocolate or your plan to visit Italy someday, he'll find a way to show you he remembers, but downplay it like it's no big deal. That's his way of feeding the connection without feeding your suspicions. And you? You'll be left wondering how he knows you so well when he pretends not to notice. 2. He makes sure to be where you are and plays it off like coincidence. Suddenly he's at the same gathering, the same group chat, the same gym timing. You start seeing him everywhere. And he acts like, oh, hey, what a surprise. No, baby, it's not a surprise. He wants to be around you, but doesn't want to make it obvious. So he places himself close enough to feel your energy, but far enough not to look desperate. He might even ask something random just to initiate small talk. A question that didn't need to be asked at all, just a bridge to keep you engaged. And while it might seem casual, it's calculated. He's trying to stay connected to you in soft, untraceable ways. Because deep down, he wants you in his space. And he's hoping you want the same. 3. He low-key flirts with others, just to get a reaction out of you. This one's bold, but real. When a guy is into you but afraid of showing it, he might drop flirty comments on someone else's story, or talk about some girl just to see how you react. He's not trying to hurt you, he's trying to wake up your jealousy. He's hoping that maybe if you get a little possessive, it means you feel the same way too. It's a game, and he's not playing to win. He's playing to test. He might make eye contact with you right after saying something cheeky to another girl, or mention someone hitting on him just to watch your face. It's immature, yes, but also a huge sign that his feelings are bubbling underneath, and he's too scared to speak them first. 4. He tries to impress you in the most subtle ways. Ever notice how he starts dressing better when you're around? Or suddenly mentions he's been working out, got promoted, or traveled somewhere cool. And every time it's in that casual tone, like it just came up. That's not coincidence, that's a hidden flex. He wants you to see his value, but he's scared that being obvious might scare you off or make him look too invested. So instead of compliments or deep talks, he gives you glimmers of his best self, like a trailer to a movie he wants you to watch. From changing his playlist to match your vibe to talking about his emotional depth, just enough to make you curious, he's hoping you'll start seeing him as more than just a friend, but he's too proud to spell it out. 5. He gives you just enough attention and then pulls back. One day he's complimenting you, watching all your stories, reacting with flirty energy, and the next, he's dry. Cold, distant, but not gone. This hot and cold pattern is so confusing, but girl, it's deliberate. He wants you to miss his attention when he pulls away. He's trying to see if his absence makes you reach out, or if you'll forget him when he disappears. This is the mind game of someone who likes you deeply, but is wrestling with control. He wants connection, but also wants to protect his ego. So he gives a little, waits to see your reaction, then vanishes, hoping you'll chase. But if you've noticed this loop, trust me, he's emotionally hooked. He just doesn't know how to handle the depth of what he feels. 6. He acts unfazed by you, but lights up when others mention your name. When you speak, he's calm, composed, even slightly distant. But when someone else mentions you, his face glows. He starts asking questions, listening more, reacting faster. He pretends he's not bothered by your presence, but the moment someone else brings you up, the real emotion kicks in. He can't hide it when it's not under his control. This is one of the biggest signs a guy is secretly into you. When your name is mentioned and his ears perk up like a puppy's, that's pure instinct. He might not compliment you to your face, but he'll defend you in conversations, praise your work when you're not around, or ask quietly about things you've done. That's respect, rooted in love he's scared to admit. 7. He tries to act like your bro, but slips sometimes. He'll call you bro, dude, or even joke around like you're one of the boys, just to downplay the romantic tension. But watch closely. Every now and then, the way he looks at you, the compliments that accidentally slip, the way he lingers after a hug, they all betray his true feelings. That just friends energy is his safety net, and he's clinging to it hard. But it's not just about being scared, it's also about timing. He may not feel ready to risk the friendship or ruin the bond, so he pretends he's not attracted. But his body language, his tone when you talk about other guys, or his slight stares when you're not looking, they all scream that he wants you. He just doesn't know if he should. 8. He's always the first to notice when something's wrong, and tries to fix it quietly. Even when he's pretending to be distant, he's hyper-aware of your moods. The moment your vibe shifts, he's suddenly texting, asking weirdly specific questions, or offering help without you even asking. He'll never say, "I'm worried about you," but he'll be there, subtly, quickly, and emotionally tuned in like no one else. He won't make a dramatic gesture, but he'll send you a meme to make you smile, or suggest doing something fun right when he senses you're low. It's his way of protecting you while still hiding his heart. Because feelings like his, they don't just fade, they stay, grow, and make him act in ways he can't explain, especially when he's trying not to fall deeper. So if you've been questioning whether that guy in your life likes you or is just being nice, now you know the signs. When a guy secretly likes you but tries not to show it, it creates this emotional chaos that only your intuition can fully decode. But once you see the patterns, you'll know that energy, that attention, that low-key obsession, it's real. If this video helped you connect the dots, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit subscribe, and turn on that bell icon so you never miss an episode from SoulSync. And tell me in the comments, which one of these signs hit hardest for you? Or did he do something even sneakier? Let's talk about it. Until next time, stay soft, stay powerful, and never forget your worth.